welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Brown Barbie, and today's video I am going to be trying out the new trend for makeup, and it's the Foxy eye makeup. I thought this eye look was like very unique, very different, and I just wanted to try it out. So watch me attempt this makeup look. So if you want to see me do that, then please keep on watching. I'm going to be taking some tape so the eye look will be a little bit more sharpened and I will be able to do the eyeliner at the end of the look. I'm going to be taking my Top Tape Shade Concealer to prime my eyelids. I'm not going to be setting this concealer because when I put on my eyeshadow, the eyeshadow will be more pigmented and brighter. If I set it with a setting powder, it's not going to be that much pigment and I will have to add it. I'm going to be taking my Patricia Bright palette and taking the shade Queen, and I'm going to be pretending that I'm going to be creating a cut crease area. So I'm going to keep that shade right above my crease area and also elongate it at the sides so it will look more elongated and it will have that look where it makes my eye look a little bit more bigger and longer and makes it look like I did a little bit of fake eyelid with So I'm going to go back into this palette. I'm going to take this brown shade and I'm just going to keep it at the outer area and just going to deepen up that crease, I'm just going to deepen up the color that I did before just so it will be more out there than that just shade only. Now I'm going to be going my 3503 palette by Morphe. I'm going to be taking this black shade right here and I'm going to be smoking out a liner, but I'm only going to be keeping it at that end area and I'm just going to leave it just like that. I'm not even going to go all the way over with the eyeshadow. I'm just going to leave it right there, but it just creates a kind of a guide for me. You can actually leave it by itself with the eyeshadow or you can add the eyeliner, which I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. eyeliner and I'm just going to be lining my whole lid with this liner, and I'm also going to be following where I did the eyeshadow before. Now this part is going to be a little bit difficult for some people, but I'm just going to be bringing down the eyeliner to the corner of my eye and I'm going to be creating a small triangle just to, in a way, it just creates that look, that eye look that your eye is very sharp, it's very big, it's very easy, it's very simple, and it's kind of self-explanatory. So now I'm going to be moving on to my face. You guys have seen my last video, if you have not, check it out, where I talked about my full step of my foundation routine and the stuff that and the things that I use. So that's what I'm going to do it, and I'm going to catch you guys at the end of this video. So my camera had died right before this, but the lip combo that I used was my NYX lipstick and my NYX lip liner, which is brown. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this look, and I hope some of you guys recreate this look as well as I did. So if you guys can see more of me, please like and subscribe, and make sure you click on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.